Welcome to Digital Desk Channel, your go-to place for AI tools, productivity hacks, and digital shortcuts. Let's dive right in. Tired of wasting hours on boring tasks? What if I told you that there are powerful AI tools that can automate, optimize, and simplify your daily workflow, and you've probably never heard of them? Stick around, because today I'm revealing 5 underrated AI tools that can save you hours every single week. First up, meet Superhuman AI, not your average email tool. Next is Tactiq, an AI tool that captures and summarizes your Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams calls. You'll get smart highlights, action points, and instant transcripts, all without taking a single note. Perfect for students, team leads, or anyone in back-to-back meetings. Use it once and you'll never attend a meeting the same way again. Third on the list is Durable.co, the AI website builder that creates a full business website in under 30 seconds. No code, no drag and drop. Just type what your business is about and boom, it generates copy, design, and layout instantly. Ideal for freelancers and small business owners who want to go online fast. You've probably heard of Notion, but Notion AI is its secret productivity weapon. It can generate content, summarize meeting notes, and even plan your day. Think of it as your second brain, but smarter and tireless. Use it to write faster, think clearer, and stay organized. Finally, for content creators, Pictory is your best-kept secret. It turns long-form content like blog posts or webinars into short, shareable video clips automatically. Just upload a script or a YouTube link, and it does the rest. Scenes, visuals, subtitles, all powered by AI. Perfect for repurposing content without hiring a video editor. There you have it. 5 powerful AI tools you probably didn't know about, but should definitely start using. From writing emails to building websites to creating content, AI is no longer a luxury. It's your shortcut to working smarter, not harder. Which of these tools are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. And hey, if you want more weekly AI tips and productivity hacks, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Tools featured. 1. Superhuman AI, email on steroids. 2. Tactiq, never take meeting notes again. 3. Durable.co, build a full website in seconds. 4. Notion AI, your smart second brain. 5. Pictory, turn blog posts into videos. Digital Desk Channel, keeping you updated with smart work tools.